Hello again guys, back out today again on James's field. There's James there, Greenock detector, and there's some guy called Dave. I don't know who he is. He's shady looking character right enough. Okay, the first thing we have today is whereabouts here, somewhere about here. Oh God, what is it? Where is it? Right, near enough a surface find. Is it going to be a coin? No, it's not. What are you? Tell me your secrets. At a guess, a keyhole cover, but it is a guess. If anybody else can shed any light on it, be much appreciated. Okay, on to the next, guys. It looks like it's stemmed from a pocket watch or something like that. Oh, pocket watch, compass, or whatever. Okay guys, on to the next. Okay my friends, we're going to go for the curse of the live dig. Right, so here, let us see what we have. Well, that worked out a treat. Okay. Okay viewers, got another little hit here. It's either a coin or a button. Oh. What the hell is that? Looks like a bit of lead. Decorative lead, I think. Is that a picture on that? I'll give it a wee wipe down and see if I can see any details on it. Yeah, that is just a lead button. Okay, back in a minute. Okay, I've given it a little clean up. It just seems to be a circular bit of lead. Don't think there's any detail on it. Might have been used as like a counter or a gaming piece. Okay, on to the next. Okay, next little find I've got here is a teddy bear. Nah. It's a padlock. Wee padlock. Not bad. Nice little relic. I love these wee things. Okay, there's the strong box with all the gold coins in it. On to the next. Okay guys, going to go for a cursive live dig here. I've got a signal run about here. So let's see what it is. Here we have it here. And it's a bit of lead. Yep, a bit of lead. Okay, on to the next. Okay guys, next tip we've got here is this little thing here, which looks like it's a lead seal. BS 1D. Oh, it's auto total. A wee total. That's beautiful. Oh, I like that. I really like that. Beautiful. I don't think I've ever found one in that good condition. Cool. Okay guys. Whoops. On to the next. Okay guys, looks like we've got a possible coin or a button when you look at a coin. Oh, I just dropped it. Oh, oh, I do believe that might be silver. Right, okay, hold on. 2 seconds, I'll give it a wee wash. Unfortunately, I was wrong about it being silver. Looks to be either I guess, possibly a button. I can't see any part where there'd be a shank, or maybe a fake coin. Be a wee bit of silver wash on it. If anybody's got any ideas, I'd appreciate a wee comment, so I can make sure I get it right next time. That's how we learn. Okay guys, on to the next. Okay, next tip is here, and it looks to be a spoon handle. Excuse the shooting in the background. It is, after all, Glasgow. And you'd expect it. Usual Saturday in Glasgow. Okay. Doesn't seem to be any details on it. There's a wee picture there, but I can't make anything out on it. Ah, well. On to the next. Oh, you're a dancer. Right, I've just found this. It's one of those wee toy guns. Oh, half of one of the toy guns. I think Mark might have found another part of it, and I think James actually found the handle for it. So we've nearly got the full thing. Working on it. I believe it's called a petronel or something like that. Toy gun for the Victorian age. Okay guys, on to the next. The treasure gods are taunting me today. Look, next little find is another little padlock. 2 padlocks and no strong box containing treasure. Where's my treasure? On to the next. Right, guys. Next little thing we got here. There it is. It's a little decorative bit of copper. Probably part of a drawer handle, or maybe just a fitting and a scutching plate. Okay, on to the next. Okay, we've got a 49 on the XPDS, so do a little live reveal. Okay, and it's just a little bit of copper, bit of scrap copper. Well, cost of the live dig. On to the next. Okay guys, I just got a signal here, and it was jumping around, and it was going on to the left hand side of the horseshoe in the dais, which is ferrous, but I thought I'll dig it anyway because it was bringing up not too bad, and it's I don't know what it is. It's like a wee bowl, like acorn or something like that. It's got a wee bit of design round the outside it. But it's quite nice. I'll just drop it on the floor. I'll get a wee clean out and see if there's anything else on it. Get a wee brush down with a toothbrush and get back to you. Okay. If I don't see anything else, it was just a bit of shite. Okay. See you in a minute. Okay guys, got another little signal down here somewhere. And I can see the edge of it here. Looks like a coin. So I thought I'd do a live reveal. Okay, fair enough, sharp. Right, here we go. Judging by the size, it looks like a penny. Oh, bazinga! Okay, not a penny. Looks like the base of a handle or some sort. A scutching plate. Oh well. Nearly. Bazinga! On to the next. Okay guys, I wonder if MD could give me a help with IDing this. I thought it was a button at first until I cleaned it up and pulled the dirt off the back, and it looks like it's like a little lid from maybe a fruit set or something like that. But a cute little lid all the same. Maybe I'm totally wrong. If anybody's got any idea what it could be, could you leave a wee message in the comment section? I like to learn what things are, so I know for future reference. It's the only way we learn things, isn't it? So if anybody's got any idea what it could be, just leave a wee comment for me. Much appreciated, and on to the next. This dais never ceases to amaze me. Next little hit I've got is in came from down there, and it's this here. It's a little tiny bit of bronze. Oh, maybe it's lead. I can't really tell, but it's got some writing on it. Yeah, God knows what it is and what it says, but it came from out of there. So that's a good 10, that must be a good 11, 12 inches. So, never ceases to amaze me how deep this detector goes. Never ceases. Okay, on to the next. Okay, my brothers and sisters of the soil. Next find we have here is in the shadow, and you can't bloody see it. It's looks to be a coin, I think. Get out and see what we've got. And it is a penny. Let us see who it is. There is Britannia, the wee bird in a wheelchair, as Kurt from the Hoover Boys calls it. And it is a Victoria, one head Victoria. Very nice. So the year that will be, give me a second to give it a clean. And that is an 1891. 1891. Focus. Okay, on to the next. Okay viewers, I've got a blasting 51 signal here. Oh, there we go. Oh, what do we have here? Looks like a crown or something. I think I know what that is. Possibly part of a watch winder. Yeah, I think a watch winder or a key. The end of a key possibly. Okay, anybody get any ideas what that could be? Your message and a comment would be much appreciated. Okay. I'm Batman. On to the next. Okay viewers, got a little surface find here. It's a glass marble. Hey, we have a nice little cod bottle. Okay, on to the next. Okay, next little find we've got here is an umbrella slide. Woohoo! Nice little umbrella slide. Okay, on to the next. Okay viewers, next little hit we've got here is, there is a coiny. coiny. No doubt a penny. Oh, that's toasted. 1876. So the Queen Victoria. Not that you'd be able to tell because it was well and truly toasted. There you go. The Queen Victoria penny. 1876. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, next tip we've got here is in this clod. My wife was wondering why I don't do so many live digs. I explained to her it's because every time you do one, it turns out to be crap. So, this one's for you, Sweet Pea. Oh. What are you? Part of a lead spoon, I think. Yeah, I think it's part of this pewter spoon. For a second I thought it was a fibula, but alas, no. Okay, on to the next. Okay, looks like the next hit I've got here is, I guess, a bag seal. A lead bag seal, yeah. The bag seal. Okay, on to the next. Okay guys, I've just found this bit of flint in the topsoil, and it looks like it may have been used as, may have been worked. Either that has just been hit with the plough. But you can see the wee percussion mark there to knock the flint off that side. And same with that one there. Take a wee bit off there. Might be just looking too much into it. Mark found a bit of flint earlier on last week, and it looked as if it had been worked as well. So, who knows? If anybody knows anything about flint, make a wee comment below. Tell me if you think this has been worked, or should I say napped. Okay, on to the next. Okay viewers, the next hit here is looks like a bit of copper. Get really clean it off. See if we can get any details. Just a wee bit of scrap copper by the looks of it. As a matter of fact, it's the front of a wee padlock. My God, treasure gods are really trying to piss me off today. 3 padlocks. Come on, give me a break. Where's the treasure? Okay, on to the next. Okay viewers, trying to change my luck here, so I think I'll take a leaf out of Stephen Ocker, Man with the Hat. Check out his channel, Very, very good videos he makes. Lots of drone footage as well. Unfortunately, he makes offers to the gods by burying bits of cake. I, on the other hand, know that all the treasure gods are actually professional bodybuilders. So I have buried a protein delight with yogurt, toffee and almonds. 30% protein. That should appease the protein gods. Okay gods, where's my treasure? Show me the treasure!